Hey guys, today in our lesson they're having us do a little bit of review and then they're going to have us to continue to work on solving problems with unknown addends and factors. So some of the problems at the end of the lesson are going to go back to unknown addends and factors, and then the beginning of the lesson is going to have some lessons on comparing numbers. So we did a lot of work with comparing numbers, and I want you to think about just our Allie the alligator. Allie the alligator will always chomp the bigger number. So if the bigger number's over here, your sign is going to go this way. And if your bigger number's over here, your sign will go this way. Remember, she chomps the bigger number, chomps the bigger number. So when you're comparing numbers, you use the chomper goes to the bigger number, and then if the numbers are equal, you use the equal sign. So over here, it's going to chomp the bigger number. So it would go that way. Here, it's going to chomp the bigger number. Goes this way. 653, 6, chomp the bigger number. Here, chomp the bigger number. So this is just review. So the beginning of the lesson is having us go back and compare numbers using our two chompers and our equal then, okay? And then at the bottom, they're gonna ask you to write numbers in order from greatest to least. This is, again, just comparing numbers. When we compare things, we say, you answer questions like which one's the smallest, which one's the biggest, which one's in the middle. When you compare things, you're just talking about what they're like. So here they're asking you which one's bigger and smaller. And here they're gonna give you three numbers and ask you to put them in order. But all of this is still just having us compare numbers, okay? And then later in the lesson, they're gonna have you continue to go back and solve problems with unknown addends and factors. So when we're solving those problems with unknown addends and factors, we're gonna continue to use these steps. So I will do an example for you to end off the lesson. If I have a problem like blank plus 14 equals 57, is this an addend or a factor? I see a plus sign, so it's an addend. On my math mountain, my total goes at the top. I need to find that box. So now I need to draw to solve. I'm gonna count from 14 to 57 to solve. So 14, I'm gonna count up to 20 and then, no, I'm gonna count by tens and then go to 57. So 14, 24, 34, 44, 54. Now that I am less than 10 for my answer, I'm gonna count by ones. So 55, 56, 57. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. So I know that this is 43. So remember to please continue following these steps to solve problems with unknown addends and factors.